Yo, I know it's been a minute since I posted something on YouTube, but I want to go ahead and get you guys a quick video. Simple videos, two how-to videos, not really how-to, but two videos of me doing a hood wrap and a roof wrap. And I'm gonna also do a wrap on a shark fin antenna. But lately I've been pretty busy, got a new job, all this stuff, yada yada. If you really know me, then you know that I've been wrapping cars as well. So as you can see, this is my charger that I wrapped myself, me and my brother. The other half of Dodge brother. Got a matte black hood and a matte metallic blue body, as well as a black spoiler. But like I said, I'm just gonna do two quick simple videos and then call it a day.
Do you all read about this or hear this? That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night
and visualize seeing yourself as...
Yeah, I would visualize,
This is when you were broke and poor.
You know, right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, I like your work or whatever that is. And I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe. And I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million.
that's it, guys. Appreciate it for sticking around, watching the videos and whatnot. If you want to see me do step-by-step instructions on how to wrap something, please comment below, and then I'll give you step-by-step instructions verbatim on how to wrap whatever you want me to wrap, really. But that's it, man. Thank y'all. Stick around, like, subscribe, follow, hit all that, do that. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on YouTube, you know. All right, appreciate it.